All right, folks. So we're going to get started. Again, this is Bernard Jeter with Insurance Advisors Direct, and I am the life and annuity specialist here. Like I say, we do other things other than Medicare. That is our main focus, but no, we are strongly building up our life and annuity products services as well. So without further ado, here, what do we have in store? So this webinar today is just going to be short and sweet, short and straight to the point, should last no more than 15 minutes, if that. So with our life products, who do we have for our life products? We have Assurity. Assurity is very good with their single premium whole life policies, as well as their whole life policies. Then we have Equitrust. They're more of an annuity carrier, but what they have on the life side is they have a single premium fixed indexed life insurance policy, or an IUL. Same with F&G. They're more of an annuity carrier, but they have that single premium index universal life policy. Lincoln Financial, another great carrier, specializing in annuities as well, but their term policies, UL policies are top of the line as well. Now you see the next two carriers, National Life Group and North American. Now those are my two favorites. So if you guys come and you ask for illustrations for term, universal life policies, or anything of that nature, I'm usually going to go with National Life Group and North American. And the reason being, these two carriers, what they offer is terminal illness. Well, let me go with National Life Group. National Life Group and their accelerated benefits on all of their policies, they offer terminal illness, chronic illness, critical injury, and critical illness accelerated benefit riders. Now, North American, they offer critical illness, chronic, and terminal illness on their accelerated benefit riders. Now, for me, and it always, with those two carriers, your clients will get more bang for their buck, as opposed to some of the other carriers, life carriers, when they offer in their universal life or their term, they're only going to offer terminal illness as a accelerated benefit. Usually less expensive, but not by that much. So with National Life Group and North American, your clients are definitely going to get a bang for their buck. They're going to get more for the dollars. Then we have in Michigan, we have Pekin. Pekin is very good with their whole life and their single premium whole life. Then we have Prudential. Prudential is very good as well. Now they're not as conservative as some carriers when it comes to underwriting. So they're a carrier to look at. And then we also have Transamerica. Now, on our final expense side, we have Aetna, and then there's the CVS Ascendo under Aetna. Very good product as well. GTL, they offer more of a guaranteed issues, only 5 underwriting questions. Oxford, very good as well. It's one of my favorites. Very actually diabetic friendly for clients that are diabetic friendly carrier. Pekin. Now, if you're in Michigan, I think it's Michigan, Kentucky, Texas, Alabama, and I think there's a couple other states that Pekin is in. Now that is the go-to carrier for final expense. And of course, Transamerica, United of Omaha, Washington National, and then one of our newest final expense carriers is Great Western Life. Now they have an excellent, guaranteed issue product that your clients would like. And now let's go on to our annuity side. Now, this is the fun side. This is kind of what I specialize in more than the life insurance. Um, but so with our annuity carriers, we have AIG, and we have that through Market Synergy. Now, Market Synergy is a company that specializes in uh, market solutions. So how they bring the market together, and they only have a couple of carriers, AIG and Bright House used to be. Um, oh my God, I don't remember the company, but AIG and Bright House. Uh, so we do have proprietary carriers with Market Synergy. Then American Equity. American Equity is good on the fixed index side with their income products. Then we have Athene. Athene is the number one fixed indexed income annuity in the country, I guess, for the last 2 years. And then we also have them through a Nexus with a proprietary product. The Nexus part is probably more for show and tell. Athene by itself is excellent even without the proprietary product with a Nexus. We have Equitrust, F&G, one of my favorites, Global Atlantic, Great American. Now we have another marketing company called Legacy Marketing, and they have proprietary products with Americo and Emeritus. Excellent products when it comes to fixed index annuities and for income. Nassau Re or Nassau, another excellent carrier. They have two of the best income products, guaranteed income products out on the market today. Then there is Nationwide. Now, Nationwide is good by itself, but it's even better when it's powered through a Nexus. Now, a Nexus is just like Market Synergy or Legacy Marketing. They more of a capital company, and they focus straight on market volatility. So they actually have their own income producing things through Nationwide. So crediting strategies, their own crediting strategies that are top of the line through Nationwide. So I mean, that's it on our carriers. All A+ rated. Equitrust is a B++, but our carriers are top of the line. You can't, I don't want to say you can't go anywhere else and find these top carriers, but these carriers are top of the line. Like I say, we vet each carrier before we bring the carriers on. We vet each carrier to see that the positions that they hold within the annuity market space, and these carriers here. And then we have access to a few others if need be. So like I say, we vet each carrier, make sure that the products that they have and the solutions that they have will work for your clients. So, and in addition to that, we have the other national annuity carriers that we have, National Life Group. Now, so National Life Group on the life insurance side as well. Now, National Life is probably the 6th oldest life insurance carrier in the world. With National Life Group, they are the founders of, with a life insurance company of Southwest, one of the other companies. They are instrumental in starting the fixed indexed annuity market space way back when. As well as their universal and index universal life policies. They were instrumental in bringing on the universal lives and the index universal life policies. They were actually the first ones to start the no lapse guarantee riders on the universal life policies. Then, of course, I have National Western, North American, very good with their Versa Choice product. Now, that one particular annuity, it is great as a long-term care alternative or long-term care hybrid. for those that have money they want to put away for long-term care, or they may have underwriting concerns for traditional long-term care, and they may have 50, 60 to $100,000 they want to put into annuity for a long-term care feature. Oxford Life is very good with their multi-guarantee annuities, their MIGAs. Then there's Prudential and Reliance Standards. And like I said, we have all top rated carriers, no one less than a B plus. What else do we have for you folks? So part of our annuity thing, we have to have a platform for our annuities, or a platform with solutions that will benefit you and your clients. And our retirement Roblox platform complements the annuities that we have. It will complement your business, and it will definitely help your clients with their solutions. So because we focus on 7 financial risks, and those 7 financial risks are longevity, inflation, sequence of returns, withdrawal rate risk, Social Security risk, healthcare risk, and taxation. All of those 7 risks is everything that our seniors are going through right now. And with this platform, it helps bring those 7 risks to a minimum. It puts it in check. So the main thing is we're trying to provide a guaranteed income stream for life, that will help your clients not outlive their income. It will provide an inflation barrier, because we want to outpace inflation. If we don't outpace inflation, then the inflation eats up the money, and then your client is definitely going to outlive their income source. So we have that annuity platform that goes well with our annuity carriers. And then here's another one that I find interesting, and we came upon this through Stonewood Financial, and they are a company that work with Section 7702, and that is an IRS code that you can use life insurance to fund your retirement. So there's all type of loopholes within the Internal Revenue Code, and Section 7702 is a distant relative to the 401k, Section 401k Internal Revenue Code. So you can use this, set up a index universal life policy. Of course, you got to go through underwriting and all that good stuff, because it's an insurance product. And then when it's time for retirement, you can take that income out as withdrawals or loans, and they're all tax-free. So government gives you ways to save for your retirement without having to pay Uncle Sam on the back end. Here, you're paying it with after-tax dollars, so, which is a good thing. So, I mean, we try to, with Insurance Advisors Direct and the program that I'm bringing out, we're trying to be offer more of a holistic approach. So each of these products will complement your client's retirement portfolio. So I'm a firm believer in you should have a guaranteed source of income for life, and then as well as having your brokerage accounts. You have your brokerage accounts, and then here's the life insurance side to use for tax-free income. So work all of those together, and then I say it's that holistic approach when we're getting to retirement planning, and all of that feeds in, especially to your Medicare clients, as you guys you have a ton of clients that you can offer the financial world to. I mean, outside of brokerage accounts, so you can offer them the annuities with the guaranteed income for life, or as we call it, safe money. If they have annuities, if they have a CD that's just sitting there that's making 0.5%, and they want to make anywhere upwards of 5 to 6%. Well, we have annuities that can give you that. And then your clients that will want that life insurance, and we can offer that with the different solutions that we have. Now, what else we can do with that? We have our life insurance quote request forms. Of course, I'll send everyone a copy of this form. Just have your clients fill it out. If they're looking for life insurance, this is going to give them a little snapshot, give you a snapshot of what they want, some of the health conditions that they have. And then you just send that to me, and like, Bernard, here, I have this client. Here's the information on this client, and I will get you that illustration generally within 24 hours, if not sooner. Then we have our CD request or questionnaire. This folks that have CDs, like I said, they have CDs sitting in the bank, not making a whole bunch of money, but they're looking for bigger returns. Just have them fill out that form, send that questionnaire in to me, and I will do research on which carrier will work best for your client situation. Yeah. And then for something that's more in depth, we have our confidential client form. I mean, this can be used for life insurance. It can be used for annuities. It can even be used for your Medicare clients if you want to get a better picture of your client and the needs of your client. So you fill that out, because you can send that to me as well, and we'll look through it. And then I'll make suggestions, and then I'll send you the illustrations on those. And each illustration, be it life insurance or annuities, we're going to have a conversation. I'll send you the illustration. We'll go over that illustration in depth, maybe give you some talking points on what to say to your client, and go from there. It's all about serving you, helping you to better serve your clients. So whatever you need on my end, I will definitely be able to help you out. So next, this is the additional sides of the client confidential form. And then this is what Insurance Advisors Direct will do for you, especially in my department for the life and annuities, or actually in all of our other departments for Medicare under 65, whatever the case may be. This is how we support you, from product education and training, carrier appointment, case analysis, sales tools and materials, application creation, review, application review and submission, and business process and support. Like I say, everything is in this circle, and it's constantly flowing, and this is everything that Insurance Advisors Direct will provide to you. So that's how we support you. And folks, I believe that is it. Like I said, this webinar is going to be short, straight to the point. I want folks to go out there and enjoy your Friday and your weekend. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll be glad to answer. If not, folks, you have a wonderful Friday again, and an even better weekend. You all take care now. Bye.